I'm here at Grazia to promote the young talent that exists in this country, and I'm very happy to be here. They've been trying to get me for so many years, and this is the first time that the dates matched. So I'm very happy to be here and to give away one award for the evening. I have no idea. I'm just going to go along with the flow and listen to what the Grazia people tell me.
According to you, who are the young Grazia people, according to the actors, the young actors, according to you, who's the most talented?
Among the young actors, I think there's such a big toss-up between Sonam Kapoor and Fawad Khan, who I know is going to be there to give away an award. Thank you.
Hi. Thank you. I'm wearing Gucci. I'm looking forward to it. I think Grazia has been always one of the fun magazines that I've been involved with. You know, always on the forefront of fashion, and yeah, I'm really happy to be here. Fashion is about personality and trying to translate today's world and the changes that are happening through fashion, I think.
And who do you find the stylish, I mean the fashionable person in Bollywood?
In Bollywood, I think Neha Dhupia dresses very well. I think that Kangana has pretty cool like taste. Sonam, yeah. The boys all dress the same, so they all just wear black suits. So it's hard to say, except for Ranveer Singh, of course. he's like a Christmas tree. Yes, the national award. Yeah, I'm super excited, super happy that the film got that kind of recognition, that I have got that, and you know, I'm just really, really happy. There's no complaints. प्रेशर बढ़ जाएगा. प्रेशर क्यों बढ़ जाएगा ना, अच्छा होगा ना. अवार्ड के बाद मतलब शायद थोड़ा थोड़ा रिस्पेक्ट भी मिल जाएगा, पता नहीं, देखता है. No comment. No comment on my personal life. Thanks.
Actually, today, 99% of the time I style myself, but today the Grazia team have styled me in a young designer, Tanya Khanuja, which I think is really relevant and cool. I think the Grazia Awards is fashionable, trendy, cool. It's not a typical red carpet where it's all about gowns and really being over formal. I think it's a lot more relaxed, a lot more fun, and so I'm doing like this. It's almost like a jacket, dress, wrap kind of look. It's very different from what I normally do, but it's cool, I think. Whites, my ideal summer day look. A lot of white, a lot of softness. I still love my denims, but it's got to be with a white top. Just pretty whites, denims. Just keep it cool, comfortable, and pretty. Oh, in Bollywood, who do I find fashionable? I mean, it's a little predictable now for all of us to say Sonam and Kangana because, you know, it's a fact that they are fashionable. So for a change, I'll just say me. In men, oh my God, the boys are so dapper nowadays. They're all so well turned out from, I mean, you know, Mr. Bachchan has the best style, and Saif always looks dapper. I think all the boys are getting more and more stylish. It's hard to pick one. You know, Ayushman's trendy in his own way. Fuad is handsome in his own way. Everybody has a style, I think, right now. Yeah, thank you. Good evening. Thank you. I love this mandatory line on the red carpet from everyone. No, we come dressed up to only hear this. Trust me. Tell me. Urvashi Joneja for tonight. Oh yes, yeah. It's been 3 years, 3 films, 2 releases, 1 still pending. Almost finished one, halfway through the 5th one, so it's quite good so far. Yeah, I totally have. Like when I started my career, I was almost having like 7 releases in a year. I practically had no time to attend events to even know how I'm supposed to present myself. So all credit goes to the one angel that came into my life called Devki, my stylist, a year and a half back or so. We started our journey together and rest is history. In Bollywood, I think all the leading ladies, especially I shouldn't call them seniors because they are almost like around the same age. But all of them, I mean, the ones who are there are doing a pretty good job, be it Deepika, Priyanka or Sonam or even Kangana for that matter. All of them are doing a fabulous job. You all have a good and a bad day, some off days, some good days, but overall everyone is doing good. Oh, superb! It's mind blowing. It's gonna be the most toughest and the best out of me so far. He's a rock star. I mean, it's a pleasure working with him. He's seriously a rock star. So I'm also working. Abhi second schedule start hone wala hai. We'll have a pretty intense scenes ka session for the next schedule. So looking forward to it. Sorry. I actually was before I joined the shoot, but I had to forcefully keep that aside. Otherwise, मेरे हाथ पैर कांपने लग जाते. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been able to shoot really. But it was there somewhere at the back of my head that I'm standing next to Amitabh Bachchan. Hi. How are you? Thank you.
Well, I think it's going to be a great fun event this evening, and I'm looking forward to it. पिछले साल के बारे में मैंने बहुत पढ़ा था और I missed being here the last year. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm sure it'll be exciting. I'm wearing Veranda. It's a very, very comfortable, one of my favorite colors, and it's a beautiful jumpsuit. So I'm very happy in this outfit right now.
Summer is here. Tell us your perfect summer day. How would you like to spend it?
My perfect summer day. Oh, I think something really like flowy and easy breezy. White is my favorite color this summer, and yeah, definitely something on those lines.
As we are fashion night, tell us who you find the most fashion among leading actors?
I think amongst my fellow peers, I find Alia very stylish. I think she's got a very cool, easy breezy style, which I really admire. Other than that, Deepika, I think she's got a fabulous body and she can carry off anything. So yeah, these are the two very stylish girls for me. In men, I think Akshay and Salman can carry off anything. So yeah, they're very stylish. Yeah. And Ranveer, of course. Yeah, he can pull off anything. मैं क्या? मैं नहीं देखती हूँ ना ट्रोल्स को, उनको देखकर क्या करना है? जो लोग अच्छा बोलते हैं उन्हें देखना चाहिए ना. They could, but then it's up to you to whether you ignore them or you acknowledge them, right? So it's better to ignore such people. These days I'm very busy with preparing for Force 2, my next schedule of Force 2, and I'm really looking forward to it because I'll be resuming shoot after a while. So we're going to shoot some very cool action sequences and it's going to be very exciting. नहीं रिसेंटली नहीं, बहुत टाइम हो गया उसको. कल आपने सवाल पूछ लिया तो मैंने जवाब दे दिया. बट हाँ, मैं काफ़ी बड़ा, मैं ठीक हूँ, बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, फिट एंड फाइन. नहीं बाबा, रिसेंटली आप सवाल पूछते हो फिर मैं जवाब देती हूँ कि मैं समटाइम इन द फ्यूचर के बारे में सोच रही हूँ, तो वो हेडलाइन बन जाता है कि मैं कर रही हूँ. तो अब ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन दूर करना पड़ेगा. बट आई कैन थिंक अबाउट इट क्योंकि मैंने फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग स्टडी किया है. तो आई मे बी समटाइम इन द फ्यूचर, बट नथिंग प्लान्ड एज ऑफ येट. थैंक यू.